Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with LTZ Plus Package, LTZ Convenience Package, Chevrolet Connected Access Capable, LED Cargo Area Lighting, Lane Change Alert with Side Blind Zone Alert, AM/FM Sirius XM Radio, Power Front Windows with Driver Express Up and Down, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 Plus System, leather-wrapped steering wheel, OnStar and Chevrolet Connected Services capable,
and has less than 50,000 miles on the odometer.
saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.